Today, I'm going to teach you how to make over $1,200 while you sleep using an internet method. The only thing you require is, of course, yourself. Before I forget, everything I'm about to show you is accessible from everywhere in the world. Now sit tight because I'm going to teach you how to generate money with this strategy, and as we go through today's video, stay tuned and watch to the end of this video because I'll teach you how to increase your chances of winning large sums of money with these approaches. Also, never skip forward to some sections since you might lose out on some critical information that is essential to completing the fresh new online money-making strategy that I'm going to be showing you today. But before we start with today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Let me ask you a question. Do you have a PayPal account? If you don't already have one, you should obtain one as soon as possible, because this is the website where you may earn money. If you're unfamiliar with the process, start by going to paypal.com and clicking on the sign up button right here on the upper right portion of the home page. Once you've done that, you'll be able to get paid. After that, you will be redirected to this web page where you must click on your personal account because what we're going to do is we have to use PayPal for our own personal use. Now, right after that, you must fill in some relevant information about yourself, such as your mobile number, email address, complete name and password, and you now have your own PayPal account ready to go. As I previously stated, this is where you get paid. So without further ado, let's get started on the first website. The first website that I want to tell you about is called spyfu.com. This website will assist others in their own websites or Google Ads, allowing them to gain more traffic. It also discloses the search marketing formula of their competitors in every ad test that they've run for the last 15 years, which means that this tool spies on other people's success stories to incorporate them into the client's success. Hence the name SpyFu, which is a bit witty. Make sure to stay with me since I want to help you guys earn more and more money online. Not a single penny will ever leave your pocket, so you don't have to worry about any payments because there won't be any at all. To begin, as you scroll down to their website, you will notice an affiliate section under the useful links category, which I want you to click on. This website is one of the many great ways to be an affiliate because of the repeating commission that pays out an incredible rate of 40 for the rest of your life. This means that if you refer someone to this website and they pay and use the website for their own use, you will receive 40% of the amount that they paid. Now, if you're new to this and have little to no experience with it, you don't have to worry about getting any traffic because I'll show you how to do that in this video. Now, as you scroll down to the page, you'll find additional information about the affiliate program, so feel free to navigate through the entire page and find out everything you need to know. As you can see, they have a 365-day tracking cookie, which means that if someone clicks on your affiliate link during the 365-day period, you will get paid, and it's as simple as that. What I enjoy best about this program is that you'll get paid twice a month, and as stated below, because most of you use PayPal and like to be paid through PayPal, it is very important that you receive your money through PayPal because this platform allows you to earn money passively. Furthermore, you can see here that this platform has a churn or turnover rate of 4%, indicating that your recurring commissions are still valid. This also indicates that the people you referred to will continue to use this platform, which, in my opinion, is the best feature of the website. So, moving on, I want you to scroll back up and click on the button that says Start Earning every month to get your own affiliate link. A while ago, I told you how to gain traffic to get people to visit the website with your own affiliate link in order for you to start making money. Now let's take a look at the 3 different options currently available on their platform. They have basic professional and team plans, as well as annual and monthly payments. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Now there is something you should know about the professional plan, and this is the most popular one because it is just the right amount with perfect services matching the corresponding rate. Imagine you have 10 people and each of them chooses annual professional pricing, and the website costs you around $5,000 to $7,000, and you make $4,600 because you get a rate of 40% of that. Isn't that incredible? So, now that you know how much money you can make using this strategy, all you have to do is to persuade people from all over the world to visit the website and eventually purchase one of SpyFu's services. Given the little background we had on SpyFu, you now have the knowledge on how to make money online using this method, which is by getting as many people as possible to buy subscription plans through your affiliate link and earning money in return. Now, that part may be a little difficult, but there's no reason for you to pass up this fantastic opportunity because I'll be right here with you every step of the way. Anyway, let's get to the hard part, generating traffic. To do so, go to google.com and type in the search bar, weight loss. You'll be redirected to a page that shows various articles about weight loss. Next, you'll have to find articles about weight loss that fill your screen with advertisements. The reason for this is that we're turning those advertisers into customers. Just a heads up, look for articles on the second or third page. This is why we will be the ones recommending them with the secret method that we have in our hands because they are an example of advertising firms, which means they have a reasonable budget, which further tells us that you can market to them our secret tool. And if you succeed, you will receive a whopping 40% of all of your successful subscription plans as your commission income. To give you an example, take a look at this website you want to associate with. You can use the information that you've received by email, or if there's an available phone number, you can use their contact information. Reach out to them and make sure you don't leave any information out by listing all of the features accessible with our secret tool. And as well as being specific in explaining why they should subscribe to any of the plans. You may also give them your opinion on which plan is ideal for them. If you think I'm done, think again, because this isn't the only method I'll show you in this video. Because the more clients you can invite, the more money you will add to your account. This isn't the only method that I'll show you in this video because the second website I want you to visit is infinitesuggest.com. This website is an alternative strategy for creating and generating traffic online. These are the tools that will definitely help you because they offer you a wide range of keyword recommendations such as weight loss, which will then show you a wide array of search results every time I enter a significant amount of advertisements. They will pop up, allowing you to advertise our secret tools plans to those advertisers. You will never run out of clients, and it will be easy to find many more as you can simply repeat the process with this premier money-making method only. So, as a quick recap, the secret website of our secret tool today is spyfu.com. Start using spyfu.com as soon as possible so your money-making journey can begin right now. Open your computer or whatever device you're using and follow the steps that I've provided. Your income potential will rise, and if you continue to employ this method, and the icing on the cake is that you can accomplish all of this with little effort and of course for free. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.